Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollarz. Today we are going to be saving in my Tiny Tuesday binder. These are going towards our tiny savings for my tiny tot, Aria, for her sinking funds for next month. So let's get into the video. Do you guys like my new dashboard? This is When Life Gives You Apples, Make Pie. We have this cutie little duck. This is going to be part of a bundle that I'm releasing in October on my Etsy store. So I just wanted to show y'all that because how cute is it? So cute. All right, and then let me get into this envelope and set up all of our tiny challenges. Y'all, I just got back from dinner. I went out to eat because I didn't feel like cooking and I didn't have any meat thought or anything, and I was really craving like a hamburger. So I went to a burger place that's by my house. It was so good. But I was talking to a man there because as I was there, I was calculating like my Etsy store prices and like what I need to be charging and figuring out the math on everything. And so I was like taking notes and stuff in a notebook, and this guy sitting next to me, an older gentleman, like probably middle-aged. Hold on, let's see who's joining the lineup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets is joining us now. Alexis. So anyways, he was like, what are you doing? And so I explained to him, you know, I'm just trying to figure out my Etsy store pricing. And he was like, well, what do you sell? And I don't know if you guys have experienced this, but I feel like every time I tell a man what I sell on Etsy, they just look at me like they're so confused. Like, why would anyone buy that? And I just I feel like I kind of just want to stop explaining it, like, because men don't get it. Like, they just don't get it. I feel like every man that I've told or talked about what I sell on Etsy, they're just like, why would you sell savings challenges? That's dumb. So anyways, they don't get it. It's not for them. It's for the girls, okay? It's for the ladies. We like to have fun when we save money. So if you're watching and you're wondering, why on earth are you saving money this way? Because it's fun, okay? It's motivating. And we're gonna add that one to that challenge. And we don't wanna be boring over here, okay? But yes, I don't know if you guys have experienced that. Like, the men just don't get it. They don't understand. And I'm honestly tired of like trying to explain it to them. So I think the next time someone asks me what I sell on Etsy, I'm just gonna say something really like out of the blue, like I sell like used car parts or something. I don't know. All right. So this one, I'm not sure who this is by. There's no name on it. So if this is your challenge, let me know down in the comments. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So each one of these is $3. And so we have a rollover 1. We have $6 saved in this challenge right now. Yeah, 8, but 6 that are accounted for. Okay, then we have this one by Vicky Thinks. Each one of these bananas is $1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh my goodness. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have $4 over here on the side that are not going into this one. So we have $8 total. And this is our first finished challenge of the day. If we finish every challenge today, we're gonna save an extra $30. That's never happened. Well, actually, it has happened, just not since I started saying that we were going to save $30 if we did finish every challenge today in one go. All right, so this one is by Happy to Save with Hannah. Each one of these circles is $2, so we got $4. And so we're finishing this one as well. Let me make sure I have 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will have all of these creators listed below for you guys to go check them out. And please do check them out. All right, that's our second finish challenge. All right, next we have this one by Toria's Budgets. And each heart is just $1, so we're adding one here. Not quite done with that one, but we'll see, guys. We have $4 extra over here. So, okay, each one of these ice creams is 2. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. So we're gonna finish this one. All right, so last week I loved hearing about all y'all's favorite ice creams. And I was thinking this week, okay, I need to draw. I used to work at an ice cream shop one summer. It was for like 3 months. And it was a really fun job. And I didn't think anyone would hire me because I was only there for 3 months in West Virginia. But the lady, it was like a family-run business, and the lady who hired me, she like was the owner. And I basically was just like, look, I'm a really good worker. I learn things really fast. I was a supervisor at Tim Hortons. Like, I can do this. I can do this. You will not regret hiring me, even if it's just for 3 months. And besides, it's their busy season. So she needed extra people for the summer. So it worked out perfectly. But one of the ice creams that they had, and I don't know if this is even going to show up, guys, because the brown that I chose was so dark, but it kind of shows up, I guess. But anyways, one of the ice creams that we made there, we would make all the ice cream, it was like homemade. It was so good. And the one that we made there that was like one of my favorites was espresso chocolate chip. It was so good. So that's what this one is, espresso chocolate chip. This one, if you missed it last week, this one is salted caramel, okay? Vanilla with like caramel dulce de leche type vibes. This one is black raspberry. And then we're gonna do this one. Let's see, what's my other go-to ice cream? I'm debating because like I would do coffee ice cream because I like coffee ice cream too, but we did espresso here. So hold on, let me color the cone. If we're just talking like basic staple ice cream flavors that you can find basically anywhere, one of my favorites, is cookies and cream. So let's do cookies and cream ice cream. Cookies and cream. I love the cookies and cream milkshake. That's also one of Aria's favorite, is the cookies and cream milkshake from Chick-fil-A. Okay, so this one, this challenge, by the way, was by Savvy Girl Saves. All right, and this is our third finish challenge of the day. Yay! And then we have this challenge by Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets. We're gonna make each one of these $2. So we have $2 here, so we can color in one of these. A little happy face. Cute. All right, and then we have $4 here to go towards another challenge. So let's do one for this one. So we can finish this one with another 3. So we should have 9 in here. And we do. There's that one. All right, and we can finish this one by Toria's Budgets. We just need $1 for that one. And we should have 9 in this one. And we do. Okay, so I need 2 more savings trains, and then we can put these last 2 into this challenge and we can color in another smiley face. So guys, we were so close to finishing all of these and having to shut the box in our Tiny Tuesdays, but we didn't quite get there. Maybe next week. So come on back next week. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, you guys. It's free. And you get to see fun content from yours truly. And if you already are subscribed, thank you so much for coming back and watching this video. I appreciate you all so much. I will see you guys tomorrow for our Wednesday scratch, roll, and save binder. Bye!